Ever wanted to change a song's pitch without messing up the speed? Whether you're tuning vocals or making a fun remix, here's the fastest way to do it in Audacity. First, open Audacity and import your audio file. Let's preview how it sounds before making any changes. To adjust the pitch, select a portion of the track by dragging through the waveform, or double-click to select the entire track. Now go to Effects, navigate to Pitch and Tempo, and select Change Pitch. A settings window will pop up with a slider. Move it right to increase the pitch or left to lower it. Once you're happy with the changes, click Apply and Preview. See the difference? Easy as that. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Audacity tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. See you on the next one.